Peter Dew here, public speaking trainer and coach. Today I want to talk about the idea of public speaking from a service point of view. And for about 10 years now, I've been encouraging everyone who does my workshop, everyone I coach, to adopt a service mindset. So as I'm speaking to you today, my sole purpose is to be of service to you, to give you some tips, some information, some knowledge that will help you be more confident and more effective the next time you decide to do public speaking. So a service mindset. Every time you get before an audience, you are giving people an idea, you're educating them, you're giving them hope, you're inspiring them. So that requires this service mindset. I guess the flip side of that is I'm speaking for myself, to build my ego, to build my reputation, to get a pat on the back, in Facebook to get lots of likes or whatever it is. As soon as you come from that putting yourself first, then you become more nervous. You become more anxious. So one of the tricks to dealing with nerves in public speaking, presentation skills, in teaching or educating, is to adopt that service mindset. And I'm not here to big note myself. I'm not here to look good. I'm here purely to give you valuable, helpful information. And if you do that, your nerves don't matter. You may even have a little shake or a quiver in your voice. You may have a bald head that could do with some makeup and's reflecting in the video. But see how all of this is not focusing on you in the video. So the next time you get before an audience, a keynote presentation, and you're worried a little bit about yourself, you're doing some negative self-talk, just remember, it's not about you. Your sole purpose is to serve the people in that audience. This is Peter Dew, Public Speaking Dynamics, corporate coach and trainer in the area of effective public speaking skills.